Hey guys, it's Zachary Edward.
And I'm Glamboy Jay.
And today, Jay is going to recreate this look. He is like the blending master. Aww. He likes color. I like more neutral, dark, grungy look, you know?
So it's like a mix between
So we're gonna see if he can do it on this side.
Let me actually go in with a primer. So I'm gonna be using the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. This one's really, really good. It has like a little bit of a tint to it. And what that's gonna do, it's just gonna help kind of color correct the eyelid a little bit. And then it makes your eyeshadow stay on all day. So I'm just blending it all over. So I'm gonna start with the Marc Jacobs Provocateur palette. The first shade that he used, I believe, is gonna be this pink shade right here. This is called In Bed, and I'm just gonna take that on a fluffy brush and just use that as my transition. So I'm gonna start from the outer corner and then start to blend it inwards, just in circular motions, and bringing it all the way in. And then what I'm gonna do, since he brought it out that way, is just kind of make it like a V shape and then bring it back. So again, I'm just placing that color on the outer corner, starting to create that outer V shape. So now let me go in with that black shade. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that guy and then start to bring it into the crease. Look at how pigmented that is. And it has like a little bit of sparkle in it too.
So I thought it was cute.
So pretty. So this is gonna be on the lid. So I'm just gonna go in with my flat brush and just apply it all over the lid.
That one's called Just Stay. It's like once it's on the lid, it just stays. It doesn't
Hey! I love that. So I'm just doing patting motions. I'm just pressing it onto the lid. I'm just gonna bring it all the way out. So now I'm gonna go in with that blacker liner like he mentioned. So this step is really kind of important because what this is gonna do is it's gonna make our lash line look so much fuller when we go in with mascara. So I'm just gonna go right below the lash line, all along. What I love about the Highliners as well is that they give you about 15 seconds of playtime to smudge it out before it sets and stays on really, really good. So I'm just smudging it out with a smudge brush. I'm still gonna use that same brush, so I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here and then start to blend out that lower lash line. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to kind of extend it. So I'm gonna start to bring it up a little bit to make his eyes appear a little bit more lifted. So I'm just gonna go back into that black shade that we used on that same smudge brush and just darken it up a little bit more. And then since this is a black color, I'm just kind of lightly patting it in. So I'm just gonna blend out that black with a little bit more pink. So now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful shade right here. It's like kind of like an iridescent pinky, purpley gold. Really, really cool. So let me just swatch it for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So look at that. So beautiful. So I'm actually gonna use my pinky finger to apply the inner corner highlight. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit. I'm just gonna kind of tap, tap, tap.
Oh my God. I don't know what it is about inner corner highlight, but it makes me feel so feminine and pretty. I'm just like, ah!
It looks so good, I love that. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of eyeliner and I'm gonna be using the magic marker. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the outer corner. I'm gonna bring it about halfway in and then just start to bring it out. So a nice little tip that I like to do when making it like super smoky on the outer corner, I actually like to go in with like a little bit of Highliner just on a smudge brush and just kind of blend that. It makes it look really, really nice and just like soft blended out. That way your eyeliner stays on all day.
Who do you think you are, Diane Kendall or something? Look at that. That's so good.
So I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara ever. This is the Velvet Noir from Marc Jacobs. Start at the root and then start to wiggle it and blend it out.
Ooh, she is right there. Sis, we said the same, not better.
They look the same, girl. It's like you did both sides.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. That was so much fun.
I know, I loved it. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.